If you are wondering how you can make your own presets in DaVinci Resolve, I will show you right now. Let's get into it. So let's say you have this text, right? And when I go to the Fusion tab, I can do this by right-clicking on the clip and going to Open in Fusion page. If I open this clip in Fusion, you'll see I've got a nice transform in the beginning of this text clip, which makes it pop. Just like so, it does pop on the screen. If you would have to manually make this again and again and again in every other project, in every other text, that would be ridiculous. Therefore, we can save this transform into a small settings file. The settings file is not larger than a few kilobytes, so it won't kill your PC disk space either. This is what we're gonna do. We have the transform right here. What we can simply do is right click on this. And then we can go to settings. Now we can save this as a settings file. Now this screen pops up and you can give it whatever name you want. For example, pop-in subtitle effect. You can save it. And now somewhere on your computer, whatever path or whatever folder you choose, you'll have this effect. You should definitely save this file in a separate folder on your computer. A folder that's only for editing files. So I have a folder that's called editing assets. And when you go to VFX and transitions in there, I save this effect in here. So now the next time I want to apply this transition to a text, all I have to do is click on the settings file and then drag it into the Fusion, and just like so, you'll have this exact same thing into your DaVinci Resolve project. All you now still have to do is connect the lines, and there you go. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment what I should do next.